Lorain Key Masters. Reliable and affordable local locksmiths. Lorain Key Masters, a professional, trustworthy and very fast local locksmith serving Lorain, Ohio since 2002. We offering expert locksmith, lock and key services for homes, condos, offices, businesses, auto, cars, trucks and any other security. Auto, residential, commercial locksmith service. Whether locked outside of your house/car/business, moving in/out, need some locks changed or any other service, we do recommend to contact Lorain Key Masters, now offering auto cylinder services made on and off-site at your convenience. A free Reiki will be given with any purchase of a lock. No need to keep looking, why use Lorain Key Masters services? 24/7 emergency locksmith service. Call Lorain Key Masters for 24-hour service.